Welcome back. Now it's time to see how we can create multiple windows. And first I'm going to create a window here. It's going to be called old window. It's going to be equal to tk. And I'm going to type old window dot old window dot main loop. I'll create a button here. I'll type button. It's going to be showing our old window. We're going to have a text. Create new window. Command create window dot pack. And I'll create that function. I'll type def create underscore create should be window, and I'll type here new window equals tk. Let's run this. We have our window, but let's make it bigger. So old window dot geometry 500 by 500. Let's run it. Now if I click create new window, we have a new window, and as you can see, they are different entities. They are not linked in any way. Anyways, if you want to create a window on top of the previous window, we type here new window top level. Top level should be top level. So now if I run this, it's gonna open the new window. If I close the bottom window, the new window is also closed. All right, this is our discussion about windows, and I'm gonna see you in the next video.